Here we demonstrate the fitting of the boiler and connection of the heating flow and return pipes. The Planet Dewy 30 BFT can be directly connected to a domestic hot water tank. If the boiler is to be operated without a tank, then the connections for the tank must be capped. The boiler must be electrically bonded to ground in accordance with the requirements of the authority having jurisdiction, or in the absence of such requirements, the National Electrical Code or the Canadian Electrical Code Part 1. The power supply must be fuse protected, single phase, 120 volts, 60 Hz. Unpack the boiler and confirm that the wall mounting bracket, valve pack, flue adapter, and instruction manuals are included. Open the valve pack and check the contents. Select a suitable boiler position that provides for the correct boiler clearances and suitable flue terminal location. Using the wall mounting bracket, mark and drill two 10mm holes. Ensure that the wall bracket is level. Fit the wall plugs and using two nuts locked onto the studs, screw them securely into the wall plugs. Fit the wall mounting plate. With assistance, lift the boiler into position. Support the boiler until the securing nuts are fitted. Tighten the securing nuts. Remove the plastic cap from the valve connections. Be prepared to catch any spillage of residual water which may be left from the factory testing procedure. Now fit the flow isolation valve. Ensure a washer is used in all connections. Fit the pressure relief valve to the return isolation valve. Fit the return isolation valve. Secure the short extension to the gas connection, not forgetting to use a washer. Fit the gas cock. Fit the flow and return pipe connectors. Don't forget, if the boiler is not being connected to a cylinder, cap off the connections at the boiler. Insert the condensate discharge pipe into the drain. Ensure that all the connections are tight, and check for leaks when supplies are connected. Only qualified personnel should attempt to fit the chosen flue system. We demonstrate the connection of twin pipe 3-inch CPVC system. The installation guide gives details of the permissible flue lengths and component load losses. Other fluing options available are shown in the installation guide. Care must be taken to observe the required clearances and terminal locations. 5/16 hole is required in the exhaust pipe to allow for the use of a flue gas analyzer. We suggest that the pipe is fitted to the boiler terminal, the position of the hole marked, and the pipe removed and drilled. Remove the cap from the flue analysis test point. To ease assembly and avoid displacing the gaskets, apply silicone to the gaskets and the ends of the flue pipes. Insert the exhaust flue, ensuring that the hole for the flue gas analyzer is aligned with the test point in the terminal. Apply silicone grease to the air inlet adapter gasket and fit to the boiler. Then fit the air inlet pipe. All semi-boilers are factory set and should not require adjustment. If required, the adjustment procedure is explained in detail in the installation guide. Should the readings obtained not be correct, it is advisable to check that the boiler is installed in accordance with the installation instructions. Check that the boiler is set to operate on the gas being supplied, the integrity of the flue, and the flue seals, and also the integrity of the combustion chamber seals. The following demonstrates the procedure for conducting a flue gas analysis. Remove the cover. Turn on the boiler and ensure that it is in heating demand. Allow it to heat up for approximately 10 minutes. Turn on the flue gas analyzer and allow it to 0 before inserting the test probe. Turn the heating potentiometer to maximum. Remove the knob. Identify the heating output trimmer B. Turn the trimmer clockwise to maximum. Allow at least 30 seconds for the analyzer to respond to the adjustment. Confirm that the reading is within the acceptable range. For natural gas, the CO2 should be 9.5%, plus or minus 0.3. Now turn the output trimmer B anti-clockwise to its minimum. Allow at least 30 seconds for the analyzer to respond to the adjustment. Confirm that the reading is within the acceptable range. For natural gas, the CO2 should be 9.5%, plus or minus 0.3. Reset the heating output trimmer to the desired output for the installation. Please refer to the installation guide for full details on installation.